L.O.L Sunshine, and today we're going to be opening L.O.L Surprise Furniture. So let's get started. Okay, let's open the box. There's a bunch of surprises. I have no idea what that is. Yeah. So one surprise fell out. You can see, you can kind of see through the bag a little. I think it might be like shoes or something. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna put that out of the way. We don't need that. So this is what we're dealing with right now. Oh my. Okay. Oh my. Okay, we're gonna start opening these things now. Okay, let's start with this one that I accidentally already opened. So let's just start with it. Ooh, it looks like we're gonna be getting a doll. And it's our dress. Really cute. That's inside. The next tiny one we'll have is this one. Yeah. Hard to open these. There we go. Oh, it's a little... Oh? It's a bear, a bunny, and a bunny tail. It's a bear / bunny. This is weird. Okay, put the trash over there. Okay, our next small one is going to be kind of big one, kind of small, but it's okay. Which one should we do? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. What should I do? Okay, never mind. Let's just do this one. There we go. There's something in here. What's this? Oh, it's glasses. Okay, put that over there. We'll be doing... This one's kind of big. Let's do something smaller. This one, okay. Ooh, it's the bottle. Put that over there. Okay, next one. Which one should we do? This one, okay. I can kind of see the shoes. It looks like shoes. So let's find out. Yep, they are shoes. Little sneakers. Okay, put that over there. We got about 3 more. Okay, this one's kind of a big one, but it's kind of like, oh, it's squishy. Might be the bed to this bedroom. Looks like we have in here. Looks like a bedroom, kind of. Like with pictures and stuff. I don't really know what it is, but it kind of looks like a bedroom to me. Or maybe a living room. Well, I think I remember. Oh. Wow, look at this. It's a pillow. It's a heart. There's something else in here, though. Oh, and also have a blanket. It came with a blanket. Put those over there. Okay. Oh, it's another pillow. Okay, we're going to move on to the bigger ones. Ooh, this one's big. It feels like it's the doll. Let's see. Hard to open these. Yep, it's Neon Cutie. How cute. Okay, I'll see you when she's all dressed up. Okay, here she is. Enough chit chat. Set up my bedroom. Everything is set up. I'm gonna give you a tour. So here is a shelf right here with a bunch of stuff like her cameras, broken heart, if you can see that. It's a broken heart. There's some books, a bunch of books, and look, she also has her own L.O.L ball. That's so cute. Okay, and she's just resting in her beautiful circle, very oversized bed. And here is the baby crib. And she also has 2 TVs, an old TV and a new TV. Okay, and she also has a video game controller, some books and more books, and a broken potted cactus, which very not unlucky. I would not like a cactus in my room because I got poked by one before and it kind of hurt, and I don't want that to me. So, ooh, she also has some lights over her bed. How you doing, Neon Cutie? The bed I guess she is doing the best. So what are these pictures of? Friday. Friday is something. I can't really read that. Friday look. Okay. Sleep, whatever look, twinning look, and whatever that says, I don't know. And I can't really read it. It's kind of pool party look. I don't know what this one and this one says. Oh, sleepover look. Okay, and yearbook club look. Okay, that's better. Okay, her wallpaper is very neonish, just like Neon Cutie. So there's her beautiful carpet, and yep. And I'm gonna go get a baby to sleep, and that just wants to get a new baby. Here she is sleeping in there, and beep beep. Hey, look, it's MC Swag. What you doing here? I'm here to show you my new car. You like it? Yeah, and who do you have behind here? It's me. What's your name? Little Racer Boy. Hi, Little Racer Boy. What are you guys doing here? Anyway, well, I was just here. Wait, I just told you that. I want to show you my new car. It's the Little Tights. Yeah, I can see that. Look how cool. I love it so much. Well, how about you hop out of that car and come play with Neon Cutie, your new best friend. Oh, hi. What's your name? Didn't she just tell you? Oh, yeah, but I still don't remember. What was it? It was Neon Cutie. What's your name? She just said that too. Well, I don't remember either. What was it? MC Swag. Oh, yeah. You want to go play? Sure. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this video looking at the L.O.L surprise furniture. It was really fun. Make sure you like and subscribe and tell us what you want us to do with the L.O.Ls next. Bye!